If you are thinking about getting Hostinger, do not buy it without watching this first. The link in my description activates the best Hostinger coupon code available right now automatically. No copying, no typing, no expired codes. Just instant savings the moment you click it. So is Hostinger actually worth it in 2026? Here is the honest answer. Yes, and here is why. You get LiteSpeed servers for fast loading speeds, free SSL, free domain on annual plans, daily backups, one-click WordPress installation, and one of the best beginner-friendly website builders available right now. Everything you need to get a website up and running is included. No hidden extras, no complicated setup. The AI website builder alone is worth talking about. You answer a few simple questions, it builds you a fully designed, professional-looking website in minutes, and you customize it from there. No coding, no technical skills needed at all. And for anyone still on the fence, every single Hostinger plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is absolutely zero risk in trying it out. Click the link in my description right now to activate the biggest Hostinger discount available today. Lock in your price before it changes. And if this helped you out, using my link is the best way to support the channel. It costs you nothing extra. Go grab it now.